today, BMO, what we'll be teaching is basically how to utilize the current technologies to generate exposure for your business and your brand, to generate, to use some of the popular business tools like Facebook, YouTube, WeChat, WhatsApp.
I'd like to congratulate Martin, HSG Ventures, for scoring 90 points for his post in our Facebook page. Wow, fantastic.
Because in the past 2 workshops, we have received a lot of feedbacks from our participants also. They would like to expand to the online business, but they are facing some crucial thing that they could not do so is because of the manpower.
So the world has changed how we receive and find information and find customer. Why not in the beauty industry? Right? So currently right now, this is where BMO comes in, that we will try to help you understand the online landscape, the online technology landscape. Is how to use BMO and online tools to generate online sales.
We have the intention to go online, but we don't have the talent to assist our business to go online. So that is the biggest problem, the biggest challenge that most of us are facing now. So in here, we are trying to solve every issue that we have in BMO, okay, to assist everyone to go online with a more hassle-free way. Aside from our organic growth, aside from our system, aside from the SEO coaching, okay, we also are going to launch this e-tendering system. These are actually some sample projects that have been created by the user. Okay, they have some interesting things. Okay, so once you created, it will be submitted to us, then admin will approve. Once approved, the project will be up in here.